On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don land gidigba for Katsina State for this Sallah wey dey waka come so, and him still waka go Katsina State for official visit. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don land gidigba for Katsina State for 9 days official visit, and for these 9 days so, he go celebrate this Eid-el-Kabir Sallah wey dey come so with him family members, and he go commission some developmental projects wey don already dey for Katsina State. As Presido dey land for Katsina State, na the governor of Katsina State, Aminu Bello Masari, Deputy Governor Maniya Yakubu, and top government officials na im come welcome am for Umaru Musa Yar'Adua International Airport, and the Emir of Daura, Farouk Umar Farouk, and members of Emirates Council come still welcome am as im land with helicopter for Daura. For the visit, President Buhari go commission Nigerian Air Force Reference Hospital for Daura and some road projects wey be say the state government don do finish, like Shinkafi Yadaki Gafia Abdallawa Dakawa and Fago Katsaya Kwasaraya Jideide Koza. Still on top this visit so wey President Buhari don carry go Katsina State wey e go take stay for 9 days, e go receive the President of Guinea, Alpha Conde, and e go meet with victims wey be say thieves don go rob dem for Katsina State before im go come return to State House for Abuja. Na so we see am reach on top with tori for today. On top say Presido Muhammadu Buhari don land gidigba for Katsina because of this Sallah wey dey waka come so, and him still waka go Katsina State for official visit. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una.